Hi and welcome. Today's new feature, we have added the ability to copy the insurance company name and policy number from the policy list without the user being taken into the policy. Now, this will also work for the people as well. And we have reformatted the people card to make it easier to read. So let me demonstrate for you. I'm here at my dashboard and I will go into my pretend client here, Leprechaun. And now you see the little clipboard here. Whenever you would click it before, it would take you right into the policy. But now we have the option of actually using the clipboard so that we can copy and now we can paste it. And if needed, you can also copy and paste the insurance company's name. It will copy to the clipboard. And our people section has been cleaned up to fall a little more in order here, having the name and email and phone on the left and the other information on the right. If you ever have trouble, you can always come down to your help section here and you can email support. It's going to be one of the easiest ways to reach them. You can also jump over to our YouTube channel or you can give them a call. You also have the chat feature right here. Hope this helps with using and managing your Genesis Now system. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.